What's going on, everybody? Today I'm opening a box of 1819 Prizm basketball. This is the mega box. Great value, 50 cards. Looking for some Luka Doncic action. I also have these. I'll be opening these in another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and you'll be notified when I open these. Be looking for the same exact thing. And all these, you have a red, white, and blue pack, bonus pack with each of these, so it'd be nice to pull a couple of good rookies of those. But for now, we're going to get into this and see if we can have any luck here and get any silver rookies. Let's see, I don't remember. I think there is one, maybe a mem card here. Alright, find 3 Prizm silver plus 10. Oh, okay, pink ice is it's like the football version of the red and yellow. Unwrapped rookie signatures from top picks. Don't I wish? Alright, well, for now we're looking for those 3 silvers and some pink parallels. And then we have this here. I don't know, are the parallels packaged separately or what's going on there? Anyway, we'll open that last. Here are the packs. Let's see who we get. Derrick Rose, Stanley Johnson. First silver is Fred VanVleet, Wilson Chandler, Zach LaVine, Robin Lopez, Larry Bird, Dominance, and Ian Clark. Dwayne Dedman, Anthony Davis, Emergent Wendell Carter Jr., and Stephon Marbury. Pull this plastic down so got the fan on. Hopefully you can't hear it. It's really warm here today. For it to be winter time, it definitely doesn't feel like it today. Alright, there's Kuzma, Korver, Bogdanovich silver, and John Wall. Ibaka, Chandler Parsons, Miles Bridges freshman phenoms, and there's a Luka, not a silver, but I'll take it. Looks to be very well centered and not scratched up in any way, so that's good. The football Prizm has been so scratched up, all of it, retail and hobby. Hayward, a Troy Brown Jr. Emergent silver, and Hardaway Jr. So apparently all of the pink parallels are in the one package, the extra pack. Wiggins, Favors, oh sweet, a Justin Jack, we got a silver, and there's Lonzo, and it looks good too. Nice. It's been a good box. We haven't even gotten to the pinks yet. Hopefully we'll have some rookies in there. Iverson, Jabari Parker, Steve Nash, Dominance, and Durant. Rudy Gay, Okafor, Trae Young, Emergent, and Malcolm Brogdon. Last regular pack, and then we'll open those pinks. There's a rookie, Anthony Simmons, Jerry West, silver, Reggie Jackson, and Bradley Beal. Okay, here's our fancy pack. Alright, we have rookie, Jared Vanderbilt, Mo Bamba, I love saying that, Jeff Teague, Kobe, Stanley Johnson, Robin Lopez, Anthony Davis, Markel Fultz, Chris Middleton, and Tobias Harris. So no Luka there, but good enough. Got a Luka and a silver Justin Jackson and a couple other good rookies in there. It's pretty good value, and I got this box for about a lower price as you can find it right now. Oops. So I'm not gonna complain at all. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, comment below, let me know how you're making out with the Prizm Mega Value box. If you're choosing to buy it, maybe you don't think it's a good deal, you can let me know that if you want to. Hope everybody's doing well, take care, and I'll be back with my next break. Oh, I'll be back with these babies very soon.